The Aussie versus US dollar is continuing its climb after finding support where it needed to find support in trading today. I'll talk about that and more in this video, so let's get started. Recall from yesterday and yesterday's video, the price moved higher in early Asian session. Why? Because of the US-China hopes for a resolution to all this trade issue problems that they have. That sent the price higher. However, we came into the 38.2% retracement of the move down from this high, from the September high to the low price that we saw in October. Found willing sellers against that level and then traded above and below the 100-day moving average, that's a blue line in the chart, before extending to the upside in the European session and getting above that 38.2% retracement. What I like is the support held on the dip right through here, right at that level. And in trading here today, what do? We initially moved higher and then moved down. And where do we find support again? Right at the 38.2% retracement, or just above it, and that helped to push the price higher. As you can see, we are trading to new session highs, and in the process, it's getting above the 50% retracement of the same move to the downside. That's even more positive for this pair from a technical perspective. If we could stay above that level, that would be bueno, or good for the price of the Aussie versus US dollar. By the way, that high price, 50% retracement, also comes near this high price right here. So just below the 0.6573 level is this old high right here. So if the price can stay above the 50% retracement, above this high price right through here, then the bias is clearly in favor of the buyers, and we're breaking more to the upside. More conservative stop level for buyers thinking of more upside for the Aussie versus US dollar, with all the hope for good news out of China meeting coming up and other risk on type of flows, would be to stay above this earlier high from the day at 0.6564. So buyers are making a play. We'll see if they can continue that momentum going in the Aussie versus US dollar. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye bye now.